As you can see, look. Hi everyone! So for today's video, it's ready now. We're gonna cook the sotanghon. This is vermicille, this is glass noodles, this is the main ingredients. And of course, our onions, garlic, and the spring onions, the hard part of the spring onions, and the leaves of the spring onions, and the carrots, of course, carrots, and the red pepper, and of course the minced pork, half kilo minced pork, and the sliced normal pork. So let's start cooking, guys. See you. So hi guys, this all the ingredients is the vermicelli, everything is here, and the carrots and everything, the meat. So let's start cooking. It's nice day, guys, outside. Now the pan is hot. I need to put a little bit of oil. Now the oil is a little bit, it's hot now, so I put the meat. I put the meat. Yeah, like that. I put the meat first so that it will be thick. Kuan siya, ang dali na siya maluto. So mauni siya, guys. Mauni siya para kuan siya, kuan na ko para dali ra maluto ang meat. Look at, guys, how many oil is loads of oil. Oh? This is their natural oil. Look, it's loads of oil in the meat. Look, it's natural oil. Now let's put the garlic, guys. Garlic here. I set aside already the meat. So later on so let's start this one. Set aside the garlic. Put one here. Now let's put the onions, the red onions, guys. Atong ibutang na ning red onions. We have different way of cooking. This is my own version, guys, okay? Every human being has different style of cooking. This is my own version. Okay, that. Now, the red onions. So later on, the hard part of the spring onions. So now, this is the hard part of the spring onion, the roots part of the spring onions. We need to fry this one first. Now, I separate the hard part, the root part of the spring onions para kuan siya baka na dugay man gud siya maluto. So now let's mix together. Mix together. Look at the meat. It's nice, the meat. So guys, ato na siya i-mix na nato, ha. Look at the consistency, oh. Kuan kay siya, humok kaayo kay ako man siya ayo og pakupos ang meat. Now let's put the minced meat. I forgot, but it's okay. It's okay because this is minced meat. It's not really hard. It's easy to sayon na siya lutoon. So now sayon na siya kuan lutoon, guys. The mince. That's why I do it the last thing. So now let's open and then just check. So that's a little bit fine. So now I need to put a little bit of water, hot water. This is hot water in the kettle. You just put a little bit, not much, just like that. Yeah. Then stir this one like that. Just a little bit water so that the carrots I put later. Now we need to open, guys. So we need to put the soy sauce, my favorite soy sauce. Yeah, a little bit soy sauce. And also my favorite seasoning. Just a little bit of seasoning. Then mix together. Yeah, mix together to make it look that. Now let's put the Knorr cubes, chicken. This is chicken cubes. Let's look like this. Yeah, so that it has a really nice, because I don't have pork cubes, so let's choose the chicken cubes. guys. So let's check now. So we need to put the carrots. Yeah, then leave this one for about 5 minutes. So the carrots, look at guys. So I need to. Now let's check guys. So let's put the bell pepper, red bell pepper. This is so nice. It can add aromatic for your food. The bell pepper, especially if you are cooking meat. So, let's open. Now we put the spring onions. So, itong ibutang ang spring onions, guys. Okay, para okay na siya. This is the last thing. This one. Nindot ang spring onions. So, last na siya. Kay leaves man siya. Katong dahon siya. Now, let's open. Then, let's put the vermicille. This is sutanghon. Let's check if it's enough to put in here. I think this is too much. It's okay. I think it's fine. Yeah. I have a small. Now, guys, yes. Fit ra siya sa akong pan. Maura tang. Oh, okay siya. Oh, looks really nice. Looks really nice, guys. As you can see, look, it's better. There's loads of bell pepper, so that looks so not colorful your food. So let's mix. Atong i-mix og maayo para mo-absorb ang kuan lamas. Absorb ang kuan ingredients. Mix. Look at sutanghon with love, my own version. It's better nga kuan siya kanang dili siya dry. It's better it's not dry. Yeah, it's better a little bit wet because this is sutanghon. This is rice vermicille, rice noodles, glass noodles. Now I have here, I test already, but I need to test again if it's nice or not. So let's eat, guys. Let's eat. So nice. How about the meat? Let's put a pork. Perfect. Perfect cooking by me. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat, everyone. It's ready, guys. Ready to serve you this food. So it's ready. Now, guys, it's ready to serve you. It's ready to serve for you the food. My own version of sutanghon vermicille. So let's test again. So this is one of my favorite food. Sometimes I eat this one with rice, and sometimes I eat only alone. I mean I eat only with no rice. It means alone. So let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Perfect if you have soft drinks. And this one perfect for the sunny day. And the carrots. Wow, love it. So later I will eat this one. Later I will eat more. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you click like. Thank you and subscribe to my channel.